Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another video. In this video, you will get 40 plus free Udemy courses with certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video and also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have shown you free ISRO workshop with certification. If you have not watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is how to be successful, the six pillars of success and prosperity. In this course, you will learn secret mindset and habit of mega successful, discover the key of wealth generation and winning in life. This course includes 3 hour on-demand video, 72 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is stress and anxiety reduction through mindfulness practice. In this course, you will learn deep understanding of mindfulness, learn the importance of the breath, meditation to allow your gain control of your life, learn how to teach others these amazing tools. Remove your myth from meditation, understanding stress and anxiety, and change your relationship towards both reduce stress and anxiety with a number of highly effectively coping technique. These courses include 2.5 on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is QuickBooks Desktop versus QBO Multiple Currency. In this course, you will learn to record transactions using multiple currency using both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. This course includes 17.5 on-demand video, 4 articles, 39 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Money in Excel, Income Tax, Personal Finance. In this course, you will learn what is money in Excel and can be useful for, how to connect money in Excel to financial institute, how to sort business and personal data, how to create a balance sheet of statement of net position, how to set up money in Excel templates, how to add your account or category and subcategory to data, how to use an income statement that may be useful for tax, how to use money in Excel budgeting template. This course is 3 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobile TV, and certification commission. The next course is Manager Account Cost Accounting. This course you will learn Management and Cost Accounting Corporation course taught by Bay Practice Certified Public Accountant. This course is 53.5 hour on-demand video, 192 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile TV, and certification commission. The next course is QuickBooks Enterprise Classes Responsibility Accounting. In this course, you will learn responsibility accounting using class training for both the balance sheet and profit and loss of the CPA. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile TV, and certification completion. The next course is QuickBooks Desktop Not-for-Profit Organization. In this course, you will learn to enter data into QuickBooks for a non-profit organization from a practicing CPA, CGMA, CPI with BS Tax. This course includes 11.5 on-demand video, 10 articles, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and certification completion. The next course is Governmental Accounting 200 Capital Project and Debit Service. In this course, you will learn Governmental Accounting Capital Project Funds and Debit Service Fund Long-Term Capital Project Transaction. This course is 21 hour on-demand video, 70 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and assignment and certification completion. The next course is Not-for-Profit Accounting, Charities, College, and Healthcare. In this course, you learn Not-for-Profit Accounting for Practical CPA. This course uses 19 hour on-demand video, 60 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is As Corporation Income Tax Form 1120S. In this course, you will learn enter tax data for an S corporation into Form 1120S for CPA. This course is a 4.5 hour on-demand video, 1 article, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Wind Energy Fundamental Renewable Energy Power course. In this course, you will learn about the practical industry knowledge for wind turbines and wind energy with the course. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is German language course, Authenticate Dialectics and Accents. In this course, you will learn listening skills of German accents and dialects, comprehension, grammar, dialects. This course includes 31 minutes on-demand video, one article, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next is plotting with Seaborn for beginner in data science. In this course, you will learn Python plotting with Seaborn for beginner in data science, machine learning, and deep learning. This course is a 3.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Mega CSS Animation course, 30 projects included. In this course, you will learn CSS animation with unique project. This course includes 13 on-demand video, one article, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, mobility, and certification completion. The next is LAMP, Stack, and WAMP, MEM, install PHP, HTML, Perl, MySQL. In this course, you will learn how to set up LAMP, WAMP, MEM, web server, and install MEM on Mac OS and Linux. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Python Complete course for beginner. In this course, you will learn depth introduction to both fundamental Python programming concept and Python programming language. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Learn Oracle Database Upgrade, Oracle 11G to 12C Upgrade. In this course, you will learn how to upgrade Oracle Database and learn hands-on approach step by step from Oracle 11G to Oracle 12C. This course will 2 on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is SSAS Tabular Model with Power BI comprehensive training. In this course, you will learn build tabular model step by step. This course will 2.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is SAS course for beginner. Learn SAS and SCSS from scratch. This course will learn SAS and SCSS from scratch. Learn how to use SAS to create clean, efficient, and reusable design. This course will 3.5 on-demand video, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next is Python macro review from basic to building a Python apps. In this course, you will learn Python from basic to building a real-world application using Python. Cover everything you need to learn in Python. This course will 7.5 on-demand video, 11 articles, 15 downloadable resources, 1 practice text, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next book is AWS Certified Developer Practice Exam. This course includes 3 practice steps, full lifetime access, external mobile. Next is Ubuntu Linux Desktop Basic. In this course, you will learn how to install Ubuntu on virtual machine or directly on computer and start performing command tasks. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next is Mastering CI/CD with TeamCity and Octopus Reply. In this course, you will learn continuous integration and delivery with TeamCity and Octopus Reply for excellent beginner to advanced. This course is 4.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next is Data Analysis, ELT, SSI, SQL, Power BI. In this course, you will learn Excel transfer and analyze data. This course is 10 on-demand video, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next is Python Administrator for Practice course. In this course, you will learn depth introduction to fundamental Python programming concept by demonstrating in Python programming. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is React Native and Redux course using Hook. In this course, you will learn take your React.js to next level by building native Android and iOS app using React Native. This course includes 14.5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next is R programming for data science with real Excel. In this course, you will learn in R and R Studio, data analysis, data statistical analysis, package functions, and ggplots. This course will fire on-demand video, full 20 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Artificial Intelligence Expert Certification 2021 edition. In this course, you will learn a groundbreaking course with Uncover AI, power, security, technology, tools, and website. This course is 16 on-demand video, 20 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, assignment, and certification completion. The next is Professor Scrum Product Owner PSP01 Practice. This course will see practices for left axis external mobile. The next course is how to start a successful YouTube channel for your own business. In this course, you will learn smart way to start a successful YouTube channel for you and your business quickly. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, 6 downloadable resources, full left access, external mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Adobe Photoshop CC from complete guide to Photoshop 2020. In this course, you will learn the complete master Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 without any previous knowledge of your easy to follow course. This course includes 8 on-demand video, 130 and downloadable resources, full left access, external mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is complete photography master 4 plus in 1. In this course, you will learn mastering photography, basic concept, HDR photo, night photography, Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop, and more. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is stop motion object animation using Dynamic Resolve and BandLab. This course, you will discover how to create a basic stop motion object animation using Dynamic Resolve and BandLab. This course includes 1 on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is complete course in AutoCAD Electrical 2021. In this course, you will learn AutoCAD in Electrical Engineer. This course is 19 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is complete course in AutoCAD 2020 2D and 3D. This course is for architects, engineer, and designer. This course includes 16.5 on-demand video, 15 and downloadable resources to practice test, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is learning SolidWorks for student, engineer, and designer. In this course, you will learn basic to intermediate about SolidWorks. This course includes 10.5 on-demand video, 59 downloadable resources for practice test, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is time management for professionals. In this course, you will learn getting it done make most of the time. This course is 35 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is international logistics and transportation in the supply chain. In this course, you will learn logistic management, freight calculation, documenting export-import logistics, cargo insurance, inventory, transport. This course is 12.5 on-demand video, 1 article, 13 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the practical memory knowledge technique course. This course is for practice to improve your memory. This course includes 2.5 on-demand video, 1 article, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Happiness Masterclass. Get your keep to your happiness in 7 days. In this course, you will learn the complete happiness course to guide you step by step to your own happiness journey. This course is 2 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the Great Calculus 1 Logarithm in Detail. In this course, you will learn ultimate course for logs, for function, pre-algebra, algebra, pre-calculus, calculus 1, calculus 2 student. This course will 3 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. All the links of the course will be given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.